What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another Fridge Financials video. In today's video, Robinhood just recently came up with a home loan that you can get through their brokerage account. We're going to break it down, what it offers, what it entails, and how it can save you money here. So if you're excited for today's video, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. Now, Robinhood just keeps stepping their game up. I have been a Robinhood Gold user for over a year now, and they just keep giving you guys more and more benefits. And I'm a user of Robinhood Gold, and I have gotten every dollar's worth definitely for the Robinhood Gold subscription that I pay for, and you save money to pay for annually instead of monthly, full disclosure. But this is amazing, okay? You can now take advantage of a discounted mortgage rate. And as we talk about a lot recently, interest rates, mortgage rates are pretty high right now because we haven't had a lot of rate cuts coming in yet with Jerome Powell and all that kind of stuff. So a discounted mortgage rate is very, very interesting. And it's through Sage Home Loans Corporation. Now, get a discounted mortgage rate on a new or refinanced home loan that's up to 0.75% lower than average with no asset minimum required. Basically, imagine Jerome Powell comes in with 3 rate cuts, and you're able basically to get that as a result. That's what you're looking at here. It's a huge discount, in my opinion. We'll look at the numbers about how much money you would save on your mortgage as a result. And not only do you get a rate discount, you get a $500 credit towards your closing costs just for that, which is amazing. Now, again, this is a part of a rolling release, so we may not have access to it just yet, but it's something to really pay attention to if you're looking at buying a home. Robinhood Gold members, this is starting to hopefully make it where maybe home buying might be a little bit more affordable to us as a result. I am someone who would like to have a home at some point. Right now, I can't afford it because of the interest rates and the mortgage rates and all that kind of stuff. So I would love this, and I'm a Robinhood Gold member, so I definitely may take part in it to see how it goes. Now, all Robinhood members, no matter if you're gold or not, can apply for a loan, but to lock in the discounted mortgage rate and get the $500 credit, you need to be either a member of or they will upgrade you to Robinhood Gold subscription. You must apply and qualify per their disclosure, so per the actual mortgage company's disclosure, for either a new home loan or a refinance mortgage through Sage with the steps described. This talks about how you can apply for it and how it works. It's really awesome stuff. After you lock in a discounted rate, if you're not already a member of the annual, then we'll automatically upgrade you for it, and there's questions that go with it. We'll look at what Robinhood Gold offers to you as well, which I think is absolutely amazing. There is some disclosures here to cover. They're not affiliated with and doesn't endorse Sage Home Loans as a third-party service, application, or respective sponsors. Those are not responsible for the content of this third-party service, so on, so on, and so forth. The discounted mortgage rate and $500 credit towards closing costs are Gold offers. The rate average is calculated based on a set of assumptions, and obviously things might change based off of it. Interesting things, though, for Sage, property cannot be located in the state of New York. Loan amounts must range between $100,000 and $3 million. So dang, Fridge, I can't buy that $5 million house and get a mortgage through them. Borrower must have a minimum FICO credit score of 580. Makes sense. Property cannot be a mobile home or a manufactured housing. Interesting. But here's the really cool breakdown here. Taking a look at the rates. So if you get a 30-year gold APR, again, this is them showing you about that 0.75 rate, mortgage rate discount here compared to the national average here. Purchase, refinance is very, very similar. But what you will notice is take a look at these potential lifetime savings. For a 30-year fixed mortgage, you are saving yourself almost $96,000. And if you think about 30 years, the Robinhood Gold subscription, I think, is like $50 a year. Times 30 years, you're looking at $1,500 to save you $96,000. For a 20-year, lower rate, obviously, costs you a lot more upfront, but will save you $300 estimated savings, $300,000 here. And for a 15-year, again, a lower rate, obviously, saves you almost $500,000, $438,000. That is amazing. Robinhood just keeps on pushing out cooler and cooler things. And as someone who has gold, I think it's absolutely amazing. So let's take a look at what Robinhood Gold is, so that way you guys can understand what this looks like. If you want to sign up for Robinhood Gold, feel free. I'm going to try to leave a link in the description if you want to. You're not required to, obviously, and it's not like I'm not an affiliate of Robinhood. But if you want to sign up for it, you might get some nice little perks for signing up here. I'll leave a link down in the description for you as well. But look at the perks that you also get. Along with being able to qualify for a lower mortgage rate, you get 4% APY on your uninvested brokerage cash with cash sweep. So if you have cash in your account, but you're not using it for investing, it gets put into this sweep program where you get 4% APY. Basically, a high yield savings account attached to your brokerage account. Pretty cool. Bigger instant deposits. I don't really take advantage of that much. I'm not depositing like hundreds and thousands of dollars every single time. But you do get also professional research from Morningstar, which is absolutely amazing. You get more market data from the NASDAQ, which is amazing. Your first $1,000 of margin borrowed is interest free. So if you want to take advantage of margin is basically a loan that Robinhood gives you money for, and you pay interest back on it, just like you go to any kind of bank loan that you would want to get. But the first $1,000 is interest free. And believe it or not, I made a video earlier, I'll link it in this video somewhere, that you can get Robinhood Gold for free by using the $1,000 of margin borrowed, because it's interest free and you can watch that video, go back and watch it. Very top quality stuff. You get the discounted mortgage rate as we just went over here. You also get accounts managed by Robinhood Strategies that only charge maintenance fees on the first $100,000. Basically, you have a robo-advisor, which basically means you take your money, you put it in, and you can set it to aggressive, conservative. You can set it to, neutral, whatever it is you want to set it to. And you can talk about stocks you want, stocks you don't want, and they'll manage your account for you. And you pay like a 0.25% maintenance fee or management fee for it as a result. But after you get to $100,000, they cap it at 0.25. So you can go to $500,000, they'll still manage 0.25%. Absolutely amazing. Discounted index options trading fees. Again, if you're trading options, those fees can be killer, and lower commissions as a result. Now, you can also try Robinhood Gold for a one-time free trial of 30 days, which is absolutely awesome. And as a gold member, you can get a 3% IRA match on eligible contributions to your Robinhood IRA. So if you max out your IRA through Robinhood, which I just recently maxed mine out for the year, you put in $7,000, you get 3% of that matched by Robinhood, which was $210 additional dollars. And Robinhood Gold costs like $50 a year, and you are getting paid out $210 as an IRA match just for that. Absolutely amazing. You get your money's worth for Robinhood Gold, in my opinion. I think it's amazing. Again, they break down all the interests here to work with, all that kind of good stuff. That's joint accounts. How do you upgrade it? How much does it cost? $5 monthly, which would be $60 a year, or you pay $50 up front. So that'll come out to be like $4 something a year, or a month, which is pretty good. And again, you have free trial for 30 days. If you want to try it that way, feel free to. And it's just, I think it's amazing. You can downgrade if you want to. There's disclosures. You can also get the Robinhood credit card, which the Robinhood credit card is, I wonder if I can find it here. Robinhood Gold credit card. Amazing. Woo! So the Robinhood Gold credit card, there's a wait list for it, but you can get 4% back when you book travel, and you get 3% cash back on all eligible purchases with Robinhood Gold as well. So a credit card that gives you 3% back on eligible purchases. Absolutely amazing. There's a wait list for it, obviously, so it might take some time. I'm on the wait list at the time of recording this video, so hopefully we can get there at some point. But yeah, so feel free to sign up to Robinhood Gold. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to sign up for Robinhood or the Gold credit card. I'll leave a link down there for you as well and how you can apply for it. But to me, honestly, Robinhood is changing the game for investments. They're doing it all things. They're going to be a brokerage. They're going to be a bank. They're a brokerage. They do a little bit of everything. They have a credit card now. Robinhood is really up in the game, and it's a great platform, me personally speaking. I've been using it now for years, and they've done a lot of really good things here. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, the major purpose was saying, hey, you can get a discounted mortgage rate through Robinhood, which is absolutely amazing. If you made this far in the video, feel free as always to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. I do hope you're making money in the market in some way, shape, or form, whether it's through savings with Robinhood Gold, through investing, through trading, through the high yield savings accounts they offer, whatever it is. And again, Fridge Financials, I will always be here for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video.